Today we are making beef bell pepper and mushroom stir fry. The bell pepper is crisp and mushroom is very delicious. The beef is incredibly juicy and tender because of my secret hack that I'm about to reveal. I will show you how to cook the dish in your own kitchen. Hey everyone, if you are my subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Bori and welcome. I need your support to get my channel to 1000 subscribers. Therefore, please don't forget to subscribe now and thank you. For this delicious recipe, you will need the following ingredients. Beef. Cut it into a 1/4 inch thick. Before we marinate this beef, we are going to tenderize it with baking soda so you get tender, juicy slices of beef without a metallic chemical aftertaste. In a small bowl, we mixed half teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water, just like this. Then stir until the baking soda is fully dissolved. Pour the mixture over the beef. And massage it thoroughly to make sure that every piece is coated with the baking soda mixture. Let it sit for 30 minutes. For now, we set it aside. A small piece of ginger, minced, 5 cloves of garlic, minced, 4 green onions. Cut them into 2-inch sections. Keep the stem part separate from the leaf because you will use them at different times during cooking. Into 1/2 inch pieces. One carrot, cut into thin strips. Four Takashi mushroom, cut each into 3 pieces. One and a half bell peppers, cut into 1/2 inch pieces. Cornstarch and water mixture. 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with 1/3 cups of water. Now that the 30 minutes time's up to tenderize this beef, we are going to rinse it twice. The beef has also been pat dried. Now we are going to marinate this beef. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of water, mix them up. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now that our ingredients prepared, let's start cooking together. Add oil. Add carrots. Onion. Mushroom. Bell peppers. Add a pinch of salt. Add minced ginger, garlic, add the stem part of the green onion, add beef, spread them out. It doesn't take long time to cook beef, so we need to flip it right away. No need to make it golden brown, because otherwise it becomes dry up. So once we flip both sides, then we start adding the ingredients. So now we can mix all this up. Add a pinch of salt. One teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of rice cooking wine, pour cornstarch and water mixture. Be sure to stir it all the way so that the cornstarch doesn't stay at the bottom. Increase the heat. Look at that. Smells so good. The aroma from the garlic, ginger, stem part of the green onion make this beef looks amazing. And lastly, we are going to add those vegetables back to the pan. The combination of this dish is colorful, tasty, and nutritious. Last item that we are going to add is the leafy part of the green onion. There you have it. Stir-fried beef with bell pepper and mushroom. This is perfectly served with steamed rice. There you have it. A delicious dish that is perfectly served with the steamed rice. Stir-fried beef with bell pepper and mushroom. I hope this video made cooking a lot easier for you. If it did, please pass it along to someone else who might love it. Subscribe to join me for more recipe. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.